Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine in your homes. Are you studying at home? Yes, that's nice. Okay, now today in our English class we will learn about the sounds of E. We will learn today to read the words sounds of E. Okay? So now repeat after me and read with me. Okay? See and look at the board and read with me. This is the word. What is the sound of E? The sound of E is A. The sound of E is A. Okay? So we will read the words B, A, D, bed, bed, R, A, D, red, K, A, G, keg, keg, L, A, G, leg, leg, H, A, N, hen, hen, M, A, N, men, men, P, A, T, pet, pet, N, A, T, net, net, A, G, G, egg, egg, A, N, D, and, A, R, ear. This is called ear. Ear. This is our ear. You know? A, ear, A. I. This is our eye. You know the parts of body? Ear, eye. Okay? Okay, see in this book. Sounds of A. Okay. Read with me. Read with me these words. This is jet. J, A, T. Jet. Okay? Jet. P, A, N. Pen. Pen. This is pen. N, A, T. Net. This is net. R, A, D. Red. This is red. Red color. You know the color's name? Red. Okay. B, A, L. Bell. This is bell. Okay. Hen. H, A, N. Hen. Hen. This is hen. A, G, G. Egg. Egg. Okay. Okay. Read with me these words also. D, A, N. Den. B, A, G. Bag. B, A, B. B, A, P. Beep. Beep. B, A, B. B. H, A, N. Hen. Hen. A, G, G. Egg. Egg. G, A, T. Get. Get. D, A, P. Deep. Deep. F, A. Fee. Fee. Okay. Now children, you have to read these also words. Okay. You have to practice it and practice to read in your home. Okay. See here. Here are some pictures of the words of sounds of E. P, A, N. Pen. This is pen. Okay. M, A, N. Men. Men. This is man and this is pen. See in this picture. W at wet, wet. P at pet, pet. This is wet pet, wet pet. Pen, man. Okay, now see the third picture. J a p, jeep. This is jeep, jeep. P e a p, peep, peep, peep. साउंड को हम पीप कहते हैं. यहाँ पर वेट का मीनिंग होता है गीला. ये पेट जो है वो गीला हो गया है, वेट. ओके, सी द फोर्थ पिक्चर. ब ए बी, बी. दिस इज बी. ट र ए ट्री, ट्री. दिस इज ट्री एंड दिस इज बी. ओके, see in this exercise, children. See the exercise A. Write the missing letter. Here is some mistake in this spelling. D a r, deer. Okay, so correct this mistake. Correct it in your books. Okay. D a r, deer. H a n, hen. B a l t, belt. T a n, ten. Sh s h a p, sheep, sheep. W a l well, well. You have to write here मिसिंग लेटर ई. आपको यहाँ मिसिंग लेटर जो ई मिसिंग हो रहा है उसको आपको लिखना है. यू हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ओके, ओके. सी द एक्सरसाइज बी. कलर द पिक्चर्स विच हैव वॉवल ई इन देम. यहाँ पर कौन से पिक्चर्स आप देख रहे हैं? वॉवल ई के कौन कौन से पिक्चर हमें दिख रहे हैं? हैन, एग, बेल. ओके, इन तीन में आपको कलर करना है. यू हैव टू कलर इन हैन, एग एंड इन बेल. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज डॉग. डॉग इज नॉट वॉवल ई, ई. ये वॉवल ओ का वर्ड है. ओके, नाउ टुडे आवर इंग्लिश क्लास इज ओवर. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, चिल्ड्रन. ओके, बाय बाय.